In this question, it is given that water flows through a horizontal pipe of varying cross section at the rate of 0.5 meter cube per second. So the value of volume flow rate is given, the value of dV by dt. We know that the value of dV by dt is nothing but area into velocity. The speed of water at a point where the area of cross section is, here the area of cross section is given as nothing but 500 centimeter square. So we can write 500 into 1 centimeter is 10 raised to minus 2 meter, so it is 10 raised to minus 2 the whole square, centimeter square. So we can write as 500 into 10 raised to minus 4. So we can find out what about the value of velocity over here, as the dV by dt is nothing but a into v. So we can write v is equal to dV divided by dt, the volume flow rate divided by area. So we can write the value of volume flow rate is given as something but 0.5. So this is 0.5 divided by area, that is 500 into 10 raised to minus 4. So we can write this is equal to nothing but 10 meter per second.